Good evening everybody. So this is going to be my very first trial, my first experiment that I'm going to do to help me get rid of my emetophobia. So if you're watching this video for the first time, you should watch my previous videos. It talks about that I have a challenge for myself to get rid of my emetophobia and the way I'm going to do it, because I've already had therapy that helps with my anxiety a little bit. But these are going to be me exposing myself to stimulus so that I can hopefully deal with the act of being sick or other people getting sick around me a little bit better. So to start off, I'm going to give an disclaimer for every single video that I do that if you are not at a stage in your life to where you are ready to watch this, please do not watch this. I never want to force anyone to do this. Up until a couple of years ago, actually up until now, I was not ready to ever do this. And I would have hated it if someone forced it to me. When I was in therapy, my counselor insisted that she did not want to teach me this way because I was not ready. So do never, ever force anyone, any of your friends, anybody to watch this. Never force yourself to watch this until you are ready for this. So I'm starting at the very basic. And the very basic I have for me is the word. For a lot of people, the words are a trigger to their phobia, and for me it is a huge trigger. For the longest time, for most of my life, I had to censor the word. I would use the word forbidden. It became a running joke with my friends and my family that, it was the forbidden act, it's forbidden. So it would be funny, like in college, my clubmates would always use it, and people who didn't really know my phobia would be like, forbidden? What is that? People having sex? Like, ew. So it was always the forbidden. When I was younger, like in middle school, I made up machunga because it was a pretty funny word. It made me laugh. Like, it was fun to say. So machunga was the word for it. And then, like, even my friend in college, Andrew, we were watching Adventure Time, and one character got sick, and it was getting sick of rainbows, so we called it rainbowing for a while. But basically my outlook was to never use those words, and every time I heard the words, it would make me twitch and go, no, please. I would make like grunty noises, or stop. I'd ask the person to stop, or I would somehow try to make any noise so that it would eliminate the sound, like, or cover my ears, like, ugh. But now I know that by censoring those words, I've given it more power over me. The fact that I can't even use my own basic language because I'm afraid of something is hindering my ability to ever conquer this. So from now on, I'm trying my best not to censor it. So I'm going to listen to these terrible words that I hate, and we're going to watch how I react. It's hopefully going to be entertaining. I will give you a little note that I actually already did this trial once, and I was filming it, but I messed up on the camera, so it didn't film it all the way through. So hopefully my reactions are still going to be the same. The words still get to me, and I hate them, so all the reactions are genuine. I just wanted to let you know that maybe I'll be a little bit better at dealing with this than I was the first time, but I guess we'll find out. Okay, let's check it out. All this will be provided by my friends from Google Translate, because I don't know anyone else who can just come in and say these words to me. So we'll start from the basic.
Vomit, throw up, puke, barf, hurl, Ralph, upchuck, regurgitate, toss cookies, spew.
It's funny because some of those words don't affect me, like toss cookies and spew. That's pretty funny. Those are kind of make me laugh, but everything else kind of makes me cringe. Let's try it again.
Vomit, throw up, puke, barf, hurl, Ralph, upchuck, regurgitate, toss cookies, spew.
do this, because like I said, I've recorded this before, and I am doing a lot better. The words aren't affecting me as much. I will say that the very first time I did this, I cried when I heard some of these words. So, or not really cried, just teared up a little bit. But now it seems that I can watch these without being too affected. So let's try my least favorite word. See how that works.
Vomit. Vomits. Vomiting. Vomit, 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 vomit.
Oh my goodness, that word. It's just too strong. Let's try it again.
Vomit. Vomits. Vomiting. Vomit, 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 vomit.
Ugh, it just feels like you're just saying the word and it's getting spit back into my face. Ugh. Okay. Let's try this word. Second least favorite.
Puke. Pukes. Puking. Puke, 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 puke.
Not too bad. It's just a little off-putting.
Puke. Pukes. Puking. Puke, 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 puke.
Ah, these are gross words. Alright, let's try my third least favorite.
Throwing up. Throw up. Throws up. Throw up, 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 throw up.
It wasn't too bad. I didn't react as much.
Throwing up. Throw up. Throws up. Throw up, 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 throw up.
That was a little too much though. I know before, even when someone would just say, throw up a ball, that would make me cringe. So, I think I'm getting better, definitely.
Vomit. Throw up. Puke. Barf. Hurl. Ralph. Upchuck. Regurgitate. Toss cookies. Spew.
Some of them still make me twinge and move around, but most of them I could stand still and listen to them, which is pretty good. So that's the end of the trial. This one was really basic, really short. Not as exciting as the other videos. There's not much to watch, or you're just really listening to it. But I think I did okay. I will say that before, when maybe like a couple of years ago, all these words would just keep me locked up and shaking and want to cover my ears, or want me to tell people, shut up, no, stop, please. But I did very well. This is actually the third time I did the experiment. I messed up recording the second time too. I know I want to give genuine answers and genuine responses to all my videos, but I messed up on the recording a third time. So I will say that I did a lot better this third time than I did this first time. My first time, like I said, I was tearing up a little bit. It was just a lot. It was very overpowering. Second time, I kept my cool and I did a little bit better, but this time, I think I did okay. I will say the words still are like nails to my ears and I want to block them out, but I definitely can hear them and I know I have to start using them. I should watch this video every single day until I get used to the words. Am I going to do that? No. But I might try to start using the words a little bit more, and then maybe I'll get to a point where I can do that. But thanks for watching the first experiment. I promise the other ones are going to be more easy, but I mean, more entertaining. But thank you for watching and following my journey to get rid of my phobia. Till next time.